guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these icons by only using the shortcuts app over here. So as you can see, my YouTube and WhatsApp, the bottom two are made myself. So if you want to see how you make these for free, keep on watching this video. So the first thing you're going to do is make an icon. So for example, I'm gonna use an example, so I'm gonna find an app. I can use one for settings. So I'm gonna be going to use this PicsArt app. I'm gonna link this app down in the description. It's really cool and you can edit stuff with it. So I'm gonna use this to edit my icons. Let's see what we want to do. Maybe we're gonna search aesthetic because I really like the wallpaper and stuff. Maybe I'm gonna search aesthetic. Let's go with this simple galaxy, and we're gonna be searching settings. Okay, so I chose a new one because I didn't like that one, and we're gonna be doing settings. Choose the same one because it looks really nice and simple. I'm just gonna find an angle, and then all you need to do is save it to your album, and then you can go to shortcuts. As you can see, I've made a lot of icons in the past, and I'm gonna click this add button over here, click add action, and then don't click the others and just click scripting. After that, we're gonna click open app, and then we're gonna choose the app we want to edit. So I chose settings, and then click the three dots. Don't click next because it's gonna be really not good. Don't do anything, just click add to home screen because you get to edit here. Click to add the logo, click the logo, and click choose photo. We're gonna click this one and adjust it to where you like it. I'm gonna choose it and then name it settings. Yeah, okay. I also use face emoji so I can access all these fonts, but I'm gonna just use this typewriter. It's a really nice font. So yeah, that's all you need to do, and just click add, and then when you go out of it, you should see it in your home screen, and now you can put it into where you want to put it, and you can always remove the normal settings one to your app library, because you can click on this and it'll automatically go to settings. See, like that. So yeah, this is it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please like this video if this was helpful, and subscribe.